Hello, in this video I want to show some tips for having students record to Flipgrid in a math class where you want to emphasize students verbalizing their math thinking process, and you really need them to be showing you some handwritten work that they've done. I'm going to show two methods in this video. The first one is using their phone and the second one is using a laptop. So if they are using their phone, then I recommend that they just hover their phone over their piece of paper and then point step by step with their pen as they explain their solution, kind of like this.
Equation based on this, and then you would simplify, and then you would do this, and then you would do that. So you should go line by line through your answer and explain exactly what you're doing.
Which will end up looking something like this. So that's it, and that's kind of the instructions that I've explained here, is that students would open the Flipgrid app, they'll enter the topic code that you give them, and then they will just record their response by flipping to the rear view camera on their phone and submit right through the phone app. Now, the other option that I want to show is if you're having students do this on a laptop, or if they would prefer to do it on a laptop. In that case, they can take a picture of their handwritten solution and send it to their laptop, or just use their camera on their laptop. So say it looks kind of like this. Then what I can do is go to Flipgrid and press record a response. And then I'm simply going to press the effects button, choose a board. I'm just going to choose a whiteboard for this example. Click back on effects, do photo, and then find the picture that I had taken on my desktop. You can make it a bit larger like this. And then what I'm going to do to point in this example is I'm going to go back to effects and choose an emoji. And I'm just going to choose one of the pointer fingers here. I will position it to get started like that, and then I'll press the record button when I'm ready to start talking. Hi, in this video I'm going to be explaining how to do this problem, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So the first thing that I did was I factored, and as you can see, all I'm doing is I'm moving the pointer as I'm talking so that I can point out what step that I'm on, so it's easy for my viewer to follow. When you're done, you would just press the next button, review, and so forth. You can see that my pointer is nicely moving as I talk. So those are my two tips for having students verbalize their math thinking process with a snapshot that they upload to Flipgrid, and then they kind of point out as they are going through the problem, as they are thinking through the problem, so that it's clear to follow for the whole class. I hope that this tip helps, and that's it for now. Bye.